So first we're gonna take 22 by 40 centimeters kitchen roll paper, and then we're gonna take this line here. I'm gonna fold it over this one. Then take this line and we're gonna fold it over the same line. Then we're gonna take this line here and also this one. I'm gonna fold them both over this one. Now unfold this part and turn the paper. And then we're going to take this line, I'm going to fold it over this point here, which is the intersection between this line and this one here, the two folds that we just did. Then unfold it and fold over the center line. Then we're going to take this part, we're going to fold it over this line here. Then unfold the paper, and we're going to take this line and we're going to fold it over this one here, the same line. Also make sure this line is aligned with this one here. Turn the paper to this side and I'm gonna fold over the same fold that we just did and make sure it's aligned again. Now I'm gonna take this part here and fold over this line. I'm gonna fold it to the inside. Now I'm going to take this part of the paper, going to fold it like this. Then we're going to take the left side, I'm going to take it a little bit up, and the right side just a little bit down. Then we fold on this line here, and then we take this line and we're going to fold it over the same line that we just did. Now unfold it and open it from the inside and flatten the paper. Now turn it to this side and we're gonna fold over this line now. Now open the model and we're gonna take this part here and we're gonna fold it up, then close the model, then take this wing here, I'm gonna fold it over this point, then put it inside of the pouch here, and same thing I'm gonna do on the other side. Now just to make this strong for the straps, I'm gonna use some glue just on this 3 parts. Make sure you put just a little bit, not too much. Then on this side too. Then finally on this part. Then we just leave it dry a little bit. Now we need to put the straps on it. So you can use any straps you have, but in this case I'm gonna use a used mask. I'm gonna take the straps from it. Now we're gonna pass it under this fold here, just like this. Then we're gonna make 2 ties here just to make it stronger. Then we're gonna move it to the inside just to hide it, like this. Now same steps for this one. Hope you enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe and comment if you have any questions, and see you next time.